Good morning guys, Nathan from Shopasing. So in this video pakita ko lang yung ating bagong online ordering app na nilaunch natin recently. So by the way, these devices are test accounts lang, no? So may testing tayo dito na isang account na Team Mango, but eventually marami po lalabas na merchants dyan. So ongoing na po yung activation natin ng mga merchants. And at the same time, this app includes yung loyalty system or rewards points, no? Okay, so pakita natin kung paano mag-process ng order. For example, tap ko to, no? Order ako, meron sample lang na product na dalawa. And then, for example, merong options. Yan. Okay. Oh, maximum. Alright, so try natin. And then, Quint. So, for example, chocolate, and then add tayo ng yung merong additional na amount. Yan, to mango. Yan. Additional 25 pesos. Okay. So, for example, yan yung order ko. Proceed to check out. Check yung delivery address. By the way, malayo yung sinet ko kasi na address dito. So, kaya ang mahal, no? So yan, check natin. Pwedeng cash and delivery or GCash. Yan lang po muna yung ating payment method for now. And then let's say cash for on delivery. So proceed, place order. So yan. Okay, so order submitted. So na-notify na yung ating POS, no? And within 30 seconds magsisync na yan. And tutunog. Yan. Okay. So, tunog na tunog yan para ma-notify yung staff nyo na mayroong online orders na pumasok. So, madali lang po. Same lang ng ano. All they have to do is to confirm and check out. So, pag kinonfirm nyo po yan, so yan yung order, no? Confirm lang po ng staff nyo. And ipe-prepare nyo na. You don't need to repunch pa, no? Hindi nyo na ipapunch ulit sa POS nyo. Confirm nyo lang yan. Check out nyo, confirm order. Okay. So, once na-confirm nyo na yan, manonotify na rin yung inyong customer. Ayan. Order confirmed. So, may notification na rin kaagad, no? Okay. Okay. So, yan. And then, so, habang pinaprepare nyo yun, yung order, actually, wala lang ako nakasetup na printer, no? Pero, once na kinonfirm nyo kasi siya, magpe-print na rin ng order slip yan sa kitchen nyo kung may nakasetup kayo. At the same time, i-update nyo na lang yung status. So, kung preparing na siya, pwede rin diretso sa ready na, no? Okay, yan. So, preparing, order prepared. So, nanonotify yung customer nyo. And then, click ready. Kung ready na, manonotify yung customer nyo, manonotify din yung rider namin, no? Na ready na for pick up. So, once ready na for pickup, yung, dumating na si rider, may papakita lang siyang QR code na parang pick-up code po yun. I-scan nyo lang po yan, camera scan, or meron kayong barcode scanner, scan, and then that's it po. Mapipick up niya na yung order. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-process ng ating online ordering app. So, if you have any questions, message lang po sa 0998-886-4031 Viber or FB. So, Nathan Aramburo from Shopasing. Okay po. And good morning everyone. Thank you.